Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Nasir Soft. In this video, I am going to show you how you can download and install the Git on Windows. So first of all, go to this link, open the any browser and write git install Windows. Okay, and my operating system is Windows, and go to this link. Okay, that is download for Windows official link for Git. Whatever operating system you have, I have 64-bit Git, so therefore I click on this. After downloading is completed, okay, click on the downloaded file in order to install it. Okay, and after clicking it, it launched the GUI this window, and click on next. So by default I'm not changing the setting. By default setting I just click on next on by default setting. If you want to change the configuration according to your installation path or your operating system, then you can change it. So let it to finish. The installation basically is in progress, and almost it completes. After it finished it, okay, and now go to your command line, that is type here cmd and open the command line, and here write the git word. After that, here you can see that all the git basically version and all the other commands are showing. It means that git is successfully installed on your operating system. If you here I right click here, you can see that the git is also mentioned, the open GUI of git here, git bash and something. It means that successfully the git is installed. So hope this video will help you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, you can ask your question in video comment section. Stay blessed.